ki khubor ka bate CTV lawan rashapi ta ka Frank Motors kamon ban long slur ringkat bat kaman ba shongkhia ka shong ha ka jinglong scam bat jingjet bastard jongi ka Tata Harrier ka kali ka ban san ya ka lintia jongpi kala banong ka jongpi minta book ya ka Tata Harrier ha Frank Motors lat korngi leni phone hau number hinyo not sausan ar not hinyo khndai hinyo lai
Usembut Menteri Rangba ke Jela ubepek ya ketenat PWD akan rutrik una opera araja apulai ula ong baka sorkar kala betha janai yaki company badika National Highways and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited bakin Ujor shiki borsin Shah district tariki ma diki nukinu ki jingsha penwit baki jingsha Pynthud ha katri kam trijam kenang baki projek ki bepin mento yaki pat ba nong shong shnong jang ke Jela kin om shakta Hakajunya kran berkila pathai kubor ba press tuan ten song ulayat ho baula basha yaki company biki dayban pinbyang yaki labor license ladaki wanra yaki dang bala ki banambar jong ka Jela
I'm telling you, I made it very clearly to be it to the company, the construction company, or be it to Nhidcl. Any issue or any disturbances or any kind of hindrances that you have, please immediately inform to the district administration. We will take care and will make sure that such hindrances does not occur again, or it should not happen, because this project, it is at the interest of the public in the state of Nhidcl. Then I have already given the instruction to all the district administration. Be firm, do it, any incident, any kind of disturbances, as I said to you, especially at site, in those places, in those projects which is undertaken, please make sure that safety, security of the laborers is intact. Nobody can touch them. But at the same time, we also have our state act. I would request the construction companies, see, like labor license. Previously, labor license was issued by the district council, but now it is being issued by the labor department itself, and we are allowed them to do online, and within 2-3 days you get the license. I would request the contractors or the construction companies, please make sure we allow laborers from outside, but at least make sure that the labor license is given to all the laborers. Because see, we have to strictly follow the act, because this act is also for the safety of the laborers. So they need to do it, because this license, once issued, it is binding by the act, the rules which we have already passed in the assembly. And in the event of maybe somebody went to the temporary camp, some miscreants attack the laborers, then government can easily take action accordingly. When the tender process started, be it an Nhidcl or be it the government of India or be it central governments or be it the state government, first of all, we need to see what are the conditions to be inserted in the documents or in the tender documents. Then accordingly, they mention in the para 1 or 2, whatever, that while doing so, while participating in the tender, these are required. If you become successful, these are required. So it was there. For sure it was there, and I'm very sure even the companies, construction companies, they are aware about it. But sometimes the problem is, out of sight, or maybe just because of negligences, they fail to attain this license.
Halo ka jingdon jogi kin hon ki bamlin bandaw apisa bakam miladi kum ki seng bhalang uba prestun ulayat ho bola batha ye ki borsin Shah district bari ki superintendent of police bakin shimkya halo kini ki jingja khnam ki jingtre kam jogi company lani ki contractor kim deben Shah Pynthud.
We have already instructed the district administration again because this one it is the whole responsibility of the district administration. The DC, the SP has to take care of this, and I'm very sure even official notification has come out that because it is legal unless you get the permission from the deputy commissioner. You cannot just go and collect donation in the form of donation, whether a group of person, whether a person or whether an NGOs or whatever. You can't. There is a prescribed norms where you cannot just do like that blindly. You have to get the permission. Then only you can do with the issue the receipt, and you can even approach the concerned concerned whoever, maybe business houses or whatever.